Hey guys, Michael here from JP&O, and this is our first entry into our educational videos. Today's topic will cover shrinker socks, what they are, and why we use them. So first, why do we use a shrinker sock? Well, a shrinker sock is used for multiple reasons. The first one is to prevent or control edema that's left in the residual limb after surgery. The second reason is to help shape the limb for a prosthesis. The third reason is that it minimizes hypertrophic scarring. And the fourth reason is that it gives compressive support for pain relief. Now, I want to show you how to actually put on a shrinker sock properly. A brief tip before we start: if you're a new amputee and your residual limb is very sensitive, it might be a good idea to use a donning tube to put the shrinker sock on. Sometimes the stitches or the suture line may be very sensitive, and this may be beneficial. And again, always be mindful of those things when putting on a shrinker sock. The first shrinker sock I'm going to show you is the 4-way compresso grip. The way you put this on is to simply slide up the sock as high as it will go. It has material that will stick to your skin, that way it doesn't slide down. Make sure all the wrinkles are out of it, and that's the way it should look. The second shrinker sock that we're going to talk about is the tube-shaped one. And as you can tell, this one is slightly different than the other one, where it has a ring in the middle of it. I want to show you how to put this on. What we're going to do first is we're going to slide the shrinker sock up roughly 3 to 4 inches above our kneecap, right there. The second thing we're going to do is we're going to find that ring, and what we're going to do is we're going to slide it up all the way to the end of your residual limb. Now be mindful of any stitches or your suture line that you may have still, and you want to get it as close to the end as possible without causing irritation. The second thing we're going to do is we're going to reflect the second layer onto the first layer. And when we do this, what we're doing is we're providing more compression to the limb. And always be mindful that your first layer or your base layer is about 2 inches higher than your second layer. Because if you don't, what can happen is it can create a tourniquet effect, which cuts off the blood supply. When you get done donning your shrinker sock, make sure all the wrinkles are out of it, and you're done. Well, that's it for this video. Thank y'all for watching. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section. You can find all of our contact information and our social media links in the description box. We'll see y'all soon. Thank you.